check out everything, man. Be safe, bro. So we doing a little something. He was like 2 inches from me. I hope y'all can hear me, but I'm trying to stay safe still. They couldn't wait to come out. You see, I got my gloves on too, so I'm still practicing. See, I ain't trying to get too close to people. I'm still doing my little social distancing. But I couldn't miss this though. It's supposed to be going on till about midnight, since 5 or something like that. But I ain't saying that long. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh! Hold up, partner. Zing! Okay, vet. There's a scat pack. I hope nobody fall out. I forgot dude's name, but dude he got some power in this thing. Got power though. Oh, that's nice. They dumb out here though. They dumb out here in Akron, Ohio. All right, I think I'm about to go. There are the cops right there, so might be shutting down. Share this, check out the channel. What up, boy? Wait, did you get to go out there?
Huh?
You get to go out there?
No, bro, my car's...
Oh, that's right, your car is out though. That's right. How long is it gonna take to get yourself back?
Tonight.
What's up, man?
When I get home, I gotta put the chain back on it.
All right, for sure. All right, man, be safe, bro. I don't know what's going on, everybody running. But I see some red and blue lights, so it means time to get going. Right, man, this is crazy.
Oh, you wasn't doing nothing. We was watching.
All right.
Hey, and they ain't gonna be able to do nothing. Let's wait.
They doing the paddy wagon though.
In Akron, they known. That's what they known. The paddy wagons is known to be around here in Akron. That's all they bring out. Moving because it ain't nowhere to go yet. So
Barry Bonds hit it, run and go get it like a player in the field. I'm on my job, I'm committed. My new dance called the Go Walk. It's only for the ballers. It's only for